Welcome to the GV Engineering YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at the CCU tele interface. The input is a female DB9 sub-D connector that accepts plus 5 volt logic inputs. The output connectors are 2-position terminal blocks. Each output connects to its respective CCU. There is also a 5 volt DC input connector on this side of the unit. Behind the terminal blocks are yellow LEDs that indicate contact closure. The tele interface kit for the Newtek Tricaster comes complete with all the required cabling and connectors. Note the interface cable is labeled 1 through 4 for cameras 1 through 4. Observe the 2 connectors on the interface cable are different. The 15-pin male sub-D connector is connected to the Tricaster tele connector located on the back of the machine. The 9-pin male sub-D connector of the tele interface cable is connected to the input of the tele interface. The interface can be tested by selecting cameras 1 through 4 on the program bus of the Tricaster. The appropriate yellow LED behind the terminal block connector will light up for the appropriate camera that is selected. Note that the Tricaster only outputs program tele or red tele out of the tele connector on the back of the unit. Green or preview tele is not available on this connector. Now it's time to hook up the CCUs. Start by connecting the CCU interface cables to the terminal block connectors. Polarity is not important for Sony or Panasonic CCUs. Once the cables are connected to the interface, it is time to connect the 25-pin male sub-D connectors to the CCUs. Locate the tele connector on the back of the CCU. It is commonly shared with program in and intercom connections. So that's it. That's all there is to hooking up the CCU tele interface to Sony and Panasonic CCUs. Just as a reminder, if you have a CCU that is something other than the Sony or Panasonic, let me know and we can custom configure the cabling. Sold separately as an accessory to the CCU tele interface, we have a product called a DB25 splitter. It enables separate connectors to be used for the individual signals. It has a separate connection for intercom, tele, and auxiliary connections. It is a rack mount unit that has connections for 4 CCUs. Also available is the tele interface RJ45 extender kit. It is used in the instances where the Tricaster and CCUs are farther than 12 feet apart, which is the length of the tele interface cable. It uses an Ethernet cable to carry the signals to the CCU. If you have any questions or comments, go to gveng.com support page and fill out a support request. Thank you for watching.